Good morning everyone. So today we're here on the Costa.Calida. So welcome to Costa.Calida.Expats channel. We have a beautiful property for sale with to let to sell to buy.com, so do check the website out. So let me go in and take you around this property. So this is the property in question. It's a Rebecca style property. And do you know what, guys, this is an exceptional property. It's really done very well, and let's go inside and have a look around. We've got some beautiful community gardens here to this side and this side, which are kept very well by the community around. You've got that little door there that says gas on it, although we use bottled gas over here, not piped. Go through the gate and you've got this lovely long wide terrace here. Just going to show you this wide terrace at a different angle. You could put some rattan furniture here or whatever you wanted, even one of those children's pools in here if you wanted, you know. So let me take you up to the main terrace. You've got about 4 steps up to it. So this is the main terrace. This gives you a lovely area just to sit and watch the world go by. And it's lovely to sit here in the summer evenings and just have those summer breezes blow over you. You can sit here, have a nice cup of coffee and enjoy company of your friends. You also have a water point here. So these water points are great because when we have the rains here in Spain, they get a bit dusty. You put a hose in that and just hose your terrace down. You've got beautiful Spanish tiles and the wreckers, which are really nice. So just over the door you got a dawn to dusk light. You got these beautiful ornate wreckers. They look like bamboo sticks, really ornate. And we'll go inside and have a look around this property. You have a nice door here, and this is a lovely property, I've got to say. So you have your pellet burner on that end just there, and if I walk down this end you can see it's quite long. It's got 2 windows in the room between the doors, and you've got lights and fans. So I'm going to take you through the archway, guys, and the archway leads to 2 bedrooms, a master and a guest room, and it also leads to the bathroom. So I'll show you the bathroom first. So we've come into the shower room. You have a frosted glass window there, clear screen shower curtain in glass, as you can see. Some nice tiles, nicely finished off. And you've got somewhere to put your towels as well. I've just come into the shower to show you the shower itself. And just here you've got your sink and pedestal and your WC. Got a little hand towel, thing for your hand towel, and a nice little vanity unit cupboard there as well. You've also got hooks on the back of the door to hang your dressing gown. So let's go forward. So just in here is the master bedroom. You've got a very ornate ceiling light and fan. You've also got your aircon over there. And just by the bed, you have got sockets on either side of the bed. Just going to pan around. You've got a shelf just there for yourself. And you've got freestanding wardrobes. They're quite large, and this is quite a large bedroom as well. Plenty of room down the sides of the bed. So let me take you into the next bedroom, which is just here. So just overhead there, you've got some storage cupboards, and you've got a nice little chandelier there as well. All the windows here have wreckers and blackout blinds on them. I just want to check. They've also got insect screens as well. So another good sized bedroom. This can take 2 single beds or a small double. Okay, if I pan around this way, you can get a feel for the room. Okay, so I'm just going to take you through. So this is a nice large living space, and it's nice, bright and airy. The sun is just illuminating these rooms here. Active lighting, and you've got aircon above the door. This will be your dining area here, and you've got sockets to the side there. Just in here you have this beautiful kitchen. It's done out beautifully. It's like an ash green, if I could call it that, with black door handle knobs on. Nice little black trim around the tiling and some beautiful black and gold granite work surface there. You have got your drainer and sink with a filter tap. Plenty of top units and plenty of base units. Really nice kitchen. And of course you have got a gas hob there as well. So just through the archway is your dining area, and I'll just come out here. And it's quite a wide terrace as well. Just down here you've got another water point, and you've also got some storage in there as well for whatever you need. And just on the other end you have got storage as well. Plus you've got an area to put your washing machine, if I noticed correctly. There's all the piping there for that as well. So I'm going to take you upstairs and we'll have a look around upstairs. So see you upstairs, guys. So we're up on the rooftop solarium, or the roof garden, whichever you like to call it. Your beautiful blue skies here. In the distance you can see beautiful views of the mountains. You aren't too far from the beaches here on the Costa.Calida. You're about 15-minute to 20-minute drive, 8 kilometers. Just pan around here to give you a feel of the room up here. So the urbanisation itself has got about 4,500 properties on here. We have loads of amenities on A sector and B sector. We have a golf club with a golf house that you can get car free, and that's on sector C. So you've got plenty going on here on Camposol. There's a range of bars and restaurants, and the people and the community here are very, very friendly. They're always willing to welcome you, and you'll find that everybody will smile at you here. Unless of course the odd one's having a bad day. But we're all in the same boat over here, new to Spain or whatever, and everyone's willing to help out. So let me take you back downstairs again. So you're back down at the terrace here, and as you can see there's a dusk to dawn light out the back here as well. So if you're interested in this property, do look in the description box below. I will leave all the details of the agent below, and our Dawn is always in the office willing to help and take you through the process. Very easy steps, so you don't have to worry about anything, okay? So until the next time I see you again, and don't forget to subscribe and do share this property, because somebody out there will love this and it's really nice. So till the next time, guys, take care. Bye bye.